Hey there, sun lovers! Ready to unlock your ultimate summer glow? We're here to help you embrace the sunshine, not shy away from it. And the secret to that? GlowGuard trademark, the sun-protecting oil that's about to revolutionize your summer skincare routine. GlowGuard trademark is more than just a product. It's your ticket to a radiant summer glow, minus the harsh after effects of sun exposure. Forget about those sticky sunscreens that leave a white cast and clog your pores. GlowGuard trademark is here to show you the future of sun protection. It's lightweight, it's nourishing, and it's packed with natural ingredients that love your skin as much as you do. This sun-protecting oil is the summer sidekick you never knew you needed. It's the perfect partner for those sun-soaked beach days, the laid-back poolside lounging, and those adventurous hikes under the clear blue sky. With GlowGuard trademark, you can enjoy all your favorite summer activities without worrying about damaging your skin. But what makes GlowGuard trademark so special? It's powered by a blend of coconut oil, jojoba oil, and antioxidant-rich botanicals. These ingredients work together to form a protective shield against harmful UV rays, keeping your skin hydrated, nourished, and most importantly, safe. With GlowGuard trademark, you're not just protecting your skin, you're enhancing its natural beauty. This sun-protecting oil helps you achieve that coveted sun-kissed glow without the risk of sunburns. It's like carrying a little bottle of sunshine wherever you go. So, if you're tired of sunscreens that feel heavy, greasy, and downright uncomfortable, it's time to switch to GlowGuard trademark. This sun-protecting oil is a game-changer, turning the chore of sun protection into a luxurious and enjoyable part of your skincare routine. Wave goodbye to sticky sunscreens and embrace lightweight, nourishing sun protection packed with natural goodness. With GlowGuard trademark, you're not just ready for summer, you're ready to shine. GlowGuard trademark is powered by coconut oil, jojoba oil, and antioxidant-rich botanicals. Now let's take a closer look at these magic ingredients and how they work together. First off, we have coconut oil, a tropical treasure that's loved for its moisturizing and protective properties. This natural oil is rich in saturated fats, essential for maintaining skin's moisture barrier. It also contains medium-chain fatty acids, which have antimicrobial properties, helping to protect your skin from harmful microorganisms. Next up, we have jojoba oil. This golden liquid is actually a wax ester, similar to the oil our skin naturally produces. Its composition allows it to absorb easily into your skin, providing deep hydration without leaving a greasy residue. It's also packed with vitamins E and B, known for their skin-nourishing benefits. Last but definitely not least, are antioxidant-rich botanicals. These plant-powered heroes fight against free radical damage, a major cause of premature skin aging. They also soothe and calm the skin, reducing redness and inflammation. But how do these ingredients work together to provide sun protection? Well, coconut and jojoba oils have natural SPF properties. They create a protective layer on your skin that helps reflect some of the sun's UV rays. However, it's important to note that while these oils do provide some sun protection, they are not a substitute for a dedicated sunscreen. The antioxidant-rich botanicals enhance this protection. They neutralize harmful free radicals generated by UV exposure, preventing them from damaging your skin cells. This way, GlowGuard trademark not only shields your skin from the sun, but also helps repair and rejuvenate it. And there's more. These ingredients also work together to keep your skin hydrated, smooth, and glowing. The oils lock in moisture, while the botanicals soothe and nourish your skin. This combination results in a radiant summer glow that's not just surface level, but truly skin deep, forming a protective shield against harmful UV rays while keeping your skin hydrated and radiant. That's the magic of GlowGuard trademark. Get ready to shine bright this summer. Imagine lounging by the pool, soaking up those rays, knowing your skin is shielded by GlowGuard trademark. This isn't just a daydream, folks. It's reality with GlowGuard trademark sun-protecting oil. But how does it work, you ask? Well, let's dive into the details. GlowGuard trademark is designed with a unique blend of natural oils and antioxidants that work together to offer maximum sun protection. Coconut oil, known for its natural sun protection properties, forms an integral part of this sun-protecting elixir. It creates a barrier on your skin, reducing the penetration of harmful UV rays. Next, we have jojoba oil, a skincare superstar that not only moisturizes your skin but also, interestingly, has a natural SPF. But that's not all. GlowGuard TM is also packed with antioxidant-rich botanicals. These botanicals fight against free radicals caused by sun exposure, preventing cellular damage and reducing signs of aging. So while you're out there enjoying the sun, GlowGuard trademark is working hard, keeping your skin safe and nourished. Now let's talk about sunburns. We've all experienced them and we all want to avoid them. That's where GlowGuard trademark comes in. Its natural ingredients work together to shield your skin from the sun's harmful rays, preventing sunburns and reducing the risk of skin damage. It's like having your own personal sun guard, always on duty. But protection is not the only thing GlowGuard trademark offers. It also enhances your skin's natural glow, making it look healthy and radiant. So while you're protected from the sun, you're also flaunting a stunning sun-kissed look. It's a win-win! Remember, the key to enjoying the sun is to do it safely. With GlowGuard trademark, you can bask in the summer sun without worrying about its harmful effects. It's sunshine in a bottle, ensuring your summer glow stays safe and stunning. But wait, there's more! GlowGuard trademark isn't just for sunbathing. This is where the magic of GlowGuard trademark truly shines. Its versatility is key, making it a must-have in your daily skincare routine, no matter the season. Imagine a product that not only protects your skin from the sun, but also keeps it moisturized and glowing all day long. That's GlowGuard trademark for you. It's enriched with coconut and jojoba oils, both known for their hydrating properties. These oils seep into your skin, keeping it soft, supple, and hydrated. So why not swap out your regular moisturizer for GlowGuard trademark? It's a 2-in-1 deal that your skin will love. But the versatility of GlowGuard trademark doesn't stop at moisturizing. Ever had those days when your hair feels like straw due to sun exposure? Well, GlowGuard trademark is here to save the day. It doubles as a hair protector, shielding your locks from the harsh sun. The oils in GlowGuard trademark form a protective layer around your hair, preventing it from drying out. So if you're planning a beach day or a summer outing, don't forget to run a little GlowGuard trademark through your hair for that added protection. Now let's talk about that summer glow we all crave. GlowGuard trademark can be mixed with your foundation to give you that sun-kissed look, even without the sun. Just a few drops mixed with your regular foundation can give you a dewy, radiant finish that'll have heads turning. It's the perfect way to achieve that natural glowing skin without the harmful effects of UV exposure. And there you have it. A sun-protecting oil that's not just for sun protection, it's a moisturizer, a hair protector, and a secret weapon for that extra summer glow. GlowGuard trademark truly is a versatile product that caters to all your skincare needs. So the next time you're prepping your skin for the day, remember this. Use it daily as a moisturizer, hair protector, or mix it with foundation for that extra summer glow. GlowGuard trademark is here to make your skin's dreams come true. So, what are you waiting for, sun seekers? The summer sun is calling and it's your time to shine. But remember, while we all love a good sunbathing session, it's crucial to keep our skin protected and glowing. That's where GlowGuard trademark sun protecting oil comes in. It's more than just a sun protectant, it's your ticket to radiant sun-kissed skin all summer long. GlowGuard trademark is not your average sunblock. Oh no, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to those thick, greasy sunscreens that leave you feeling more like a sticky bun than a beach goddess. GlowGuard trademark is lightweight, non-greasy, and packed with natural ingredients that nourish your skin while shielding it from harmful UV rays. It's the ultimate multitasker, perfect for those of us who want to make the most out of our skincare products. But the magic doesn't stop there. GlowGuard trademark isn't just for those beach days. Use it daily as a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Mix it with your foundation for an extra boost of radiance. You can even use it as a hair protector to keep your locks luscious and damage-free. It's the perfect addition to your summer skincare routine, offering versatility and effectiveness in one sleek bottle. So, why settle for less when you can have it all with GlowGuard trademark? This summer, make a smart choice. Invest in a product that not only protects your skin, but also enhances its natural beauty. Because everyone deserves to enjoy the sun without compromising their skin's health and radiance. It's time to elevate your summer skincare routine. It's time to experience the magic of GlowGuard trademark. So, go ahead, grab your bottle today and get ready to bask in the sun, worry-free. Remember, every drop of GlowGuard trademark is a promise of protection, nourishment, and a summer glow that lasts all season long. Thanks for tuning in, beauties. Remember, stay sun-safe, stay fabulous, and until next time, keep glowing.